Here we have for sale our Audi TT 2.0 TFSI Sport S-Tronic Quattro 3-door. It's a 2012 12 plate. It's done 28,245 miles. 2 registered keepers from new. It's the automatic transmission. The 2-litre petrol engine outputs 208 brake horsepower, top speed of 151, 0 to 60 in 5.7 seconds, combined fuel consumption is 39.2, extra urban is 49.6 and urban is 28.5. The luggage capacity with the seats up is 292 litres. The car has full leather interior. The car has a satellite navigation unit fitted to it. For more information or for a finance quote, please go to our website luigimotors.com or call 01 663 743 760.